Say hi, Jack. There we go. Hello, welcome to Bracers of Bristol. Today I'm going to show you my own personal rifle. I've just got it. I'm very excited. This is the Blaser, the R8 Professional Success. I've got on there a Zeiss Victory HT scope with the adjustable turret. To save some time, I'm going to do a second video on this. The turret and selection of rings. It's quite a straightforward process. There's an app, I suppose, on the web page or on the Zeiss website you can go to. You put in there what caliber rifle it is, what bullets that you're firing, and it will tell you what you should be zeroing in your rifle at and which ring you should be using. For the benefit of time on this one, I am using a ring number 5 because I'm using Hornady ammunition, and this is the 308 168 grain AMAX ammunition. And today we are going to be testing it, seeing how it performs. I've zeroed it in already, I've had a play, I'm very impressed and very pleased with it. So I thought I should share that with you guys and show you how I'm getting on with it. This is a 308 caliber. It's very easy to change the barrels, change the calibers on the gun. It's a beautiful, really well made, really well engineered gun. Magazine is empty. Slot that into place. Take the safety catch off. You can see it's empty. Safety catch on these. Once this bolts forward now, the safety catch is off. The gun will not fire, despite the fact that there's a round in the chamber. It's a very positive safety on this. You have to push it up to engage. Now the gun is live and it's ready to go. To engage the safety again, there's a bit of a knack. You just take the pressure, depress, and it will release back down. And again, the gun is now safe and secure with the trigger unit and the magazine in one piece. What I really enjoy, what I like about it, is that obviously without the trigger unit and the magazine, the gun is now rendered safe, and it's just nice and compact. It's nice and neat. You don't have to worry about, you know, taking the bolt out of the rifle and everything else. It's just, you know, it is a magazine and a trigger. We're going to shoot at a target that I've placed at about 150 yards. So I have zeroed it in. So we're looking for a nice clean group. I'm going to put 3 rounds down at the target. These just simply click into place. It is a 4-round magazine, so might as well shoot 4, wouldn't we? 1, 2, 3, 4. There we are, 4-round magazine. One magazine. Quite simple. I'm very pleased with the group that I produced. the rifle shooting incredibly well, as you can see from this target. There are a few different styles of Blaser R8 available. This one here is the Monza. It comes in a lovely black and red leather stitched. They also have a range of leather stocks available. They come in multiple different colours. If you would like more information on the various different packages that are available on the Blaser R8, please get in touch. You can contact us via Facebook, email, or drop me a message on here. Once again, thanks for watching.